Sanibona babukeli, ninjani? Ngithemba niyaphila. Ngizocela ni-subscribe, ni-share, ni-like khona lo msebenzi uzoqhubekela phambili bawubone bonke. Ngizothanda sikhulume ngodaba lana olumayelana nebhajethi. I-DA eyayi-rejecta inakhuzana ibhajethi ngesimo sokunyuswa kwe-VAT. Siyazi kanjalo futhi ne-MK ayivumanga ibhajethi ngesimo sokuthi i-ANC ifuna kunyuswe i-VAT. Kanjalo ne-EFF ayizoyivotela ibhajethi ngoba ayithandi nayo i-EFF ukuthi kunyuswe i-VAT. Wonke lamaqembu akhala ngokuthi ukunyuswa kwe-VAT kuzokhoza ukuthi kunyuka ama-price. Makunyuka ama-price kuyoba nzima-ke babukeli ukuthenga, njengoba sasivele kwamanje sidonsa ngodizili. Uthi uma ungena esitolo uthi uyaqhathanisa uyabona ukuthi hayi kuyabiza, zonke iy'mpahla zimbeqolo. Wonke ama-retailers ayafana manje. Ungena e-Box, ungena e-Checkers, ungena e-Pick n Pay, noma ikuphi se-Spar, kuyayifanela ama-price kuphi. Nami lamaqembu lento ayisapothayo ukuthi i-VAT inganyuswa, nami ngiyakusaphotha lokho ukuthi i-VAT inganyuswa. Kodwa-ke okudidayo ukuthi i-DA yona ike yaveza ukuthi ingayiphasisa le budget uma i-ANC izodedela phansi lo mthetho eke yawushaya we-Expropriation Act, bese kuba lo NHI, bese kuba lo we-NHI. Lokho kuveze ngokusobala ukuthi hawu kahle kahle i-DA ayinandaba nabantu, isebenzisa i-VAT ngenxa yokuthi ifuna ukufeza iy'nhloso zayo. Iyona ndlela mina engibone ngayo, kodwa ngezwa kuwena-ke wena mbukeli ukuthi ubona kanjani. Awulalele na ividiyo evela kwi-DA elandelayo.
Themselves and their families, South Africans who are digging deeper into pockets that are already leaking, and it's on the basis of that the Democratic Alliance has over the conversation period been tabling an alternative that is able to make sure that we cover the 60% shortfall without taxing South Africans. But we've obviously been in conversations with our coalition partner in the GNU, which is the ANC, to make sure that we're able to come to a conclusion that rests in the best interests of South Africans. That conversation is yet to be concluded. We are not done yet. But what it is important here to communicate today is that South Africans still deserve a budget that makes sense, a budget that is able to put the heart, to at its heart put the interests of South Africans forward. And those interests are 1, economic growth, 2, job creation, and 3, poverty alleviation and bridging the gap between the rich and the poor in this country. I'm going to hand over to our spokesperson on finance, Mark Burke, who's going to give us a communication on going into today, into the budget committee, what our modus operandi is going to be, and then we'll take it from there. Mark?
Thank you. Just on a brief logistical point, given that committee needs to start soon and the media needs to get in there with us, we won't be taking questions, but happy to field questions after the committee meeting. The DA has proposed at various junctures and across 2 attempts at the budget to propose alternatives that doesn't punish South Africans with more tax. While we've been open-minded and we've taken a posture of collaboration with our partner, the ANC has failed to agree to the reforms that we need to get the economy going, and if we get the economy going, for our revenue to increase over time so that we don't need to increase taxes. And because of this refusal from the ANC to agree to reasonable politically neutral measures, I have now been mandated to go into this committee and amend the fiscal framework such that there will be no VAT increases. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, colleagues. That is that, and we'll communicate afterwards.
Jesus Christ.